Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to create folders file on Android phone without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply go to your main menu, click on your main menu right here. Then take you to this particular menu page. Next thing you want to do here is to simply click on these three dots. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on new folder. Then it's going to indicate which one of the files here or apps here that you want to move to the folders. So I can simply select on this particular one right here, and I can also select this one right here. I can also select this one right here. So once you are able to select the file that you want to move to the folder, next thing you can do here is to click on this check mark from the top. Done. So you have your folder successfully created right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to create new folders on Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Android tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.